Hello. OpenAI released many new models, which begs the question of which models to use for your programming tasks. The one-size-fits-all approach no longer applies. In this video, we'll discuss the similarities and differences of 4 new models that are available for ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Team and Enterprise members that were developed with programmers on top of mind. Those models are GPT 4.1, O3, O4 Mini, and O4 Mini High. Let's go. Similarities. These 4 new models take the same input, text or image, and provide the same output, text. These 4 models power different versions of ChatGPT, yet the 4 versions of ChatGPT have integrated the capabilities of image generation and live web searches. These 2 capabilities can be triggered manually or dynamically based on the input provided during the conversation. These 4 models have the same context window, supporting up to 128,000 tokens. Tokens are words, character sets, or combinations of words and punctuations. Large language models decompose text a little bit different from humans, so large language models actually work with tokens. These 4 models have the same knowledge cutoff, currently June 2024. Now differences. While the GPT 4.1 model belongs to the flagship chat models, the O3, O4 Mini, O4 Mini High belongs to the reasoning models. These 2 different series are structurally different and have been optimized with different intents. The GPT 4.1, along with the other flagship chat models, is a general-purpose AI. The GPT 4.1 model has a deep fluency in code. With this model, you generally have better control over the output since this model is better at following instructions. Thus, the ChatGPT powered by the GPT 4.1 model is a great supporting tool for the following types of tasks: code generation, given its syntax precision, debugging, and task decomposition. Overall, it is a great tool to help you deal with complex programming challenges. As a side note, among the flagship chat models, this model is considered the most advanced one so far. Also, it is worth mentioning that this model was optimized for specific tasks like coding, instruction following, and tasks that require long context comprehension. The O3, O4 Mini, and O4 Mini High are reasoning models. These models are trained to reason more deeply about the input. In the user experience, one of the main differences between using a reasoning model or a flagship chat model is that the reasoning model provides reasoning summaries. These are explanations of how the model is interpreting the output and how it is reasoning to reach the output. This enhanced transparency is thought to enable the smarter usage of ChatGPT. Let's start by discussing the O3 model. The model balances performance and speed. This model works well for complex reasoning and long text synthesis. The ChatGPT tool, powered by O3, is a great supporting tool for the following tasks: code generation and debugging that requires deep reasoning. For instance, when you need ChatGPT to consider a visual input. One weakness of this model is its higher latency in response. Let's now discuss the O4 Mini and O4 Mini High. These models are optimized variants of the O4 model. OpenAI uses the term mini to describe smaller, more efficient models designed to provide faster response. These models are most suited to help with programming tasks that do not necessarily require the full capabilities of a GPT model. A ChatGPT powered by a O4 Mini or a O4 Mini High model is best suited to help you with the following tasks: code generation and debugging for simple, smaller scripts. While ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Teams and Enterprises members pay a flat fee subscription to use these models integrated into ChatGPT, for API use, things are very different. When working with APIs, there are 3 additional considerations that must be top of mind. 1. There are many more GPT models that are worth exploring. 2. The limitations of these models when integrated into ChatGPT or when integrated for API use are very different. 3. The price to use each of these models varies quite substantially. So, to really look into all these different considerations, look at this link below for more information. With these considerations in mind, you're ready to continue your coding journey, but now with the right model for the right task. Happy coding, and like and subscribe for more videos like this.